My name is Joel Gachomo. I'm the Director for Public Finance Management. PFM is Public Finance Management. It's a business unit within TechnoBrain that addresses public finance solutions. So we've got a couple of solutions that we've developed specifically to address the public finance. One of them is IFMIS, which has to do with government programs, how they are run and how they're executed in terms of money, expenditure. The other one is budgeting system, which addresses the need for government to have a performance-based budget system. Another one is revenue management, which is a need of the hour for governments to be able to collect revenue and also be able to account for it. And the other product that we have is on the HCM, because it's a big expenditure of government is on the payroll. So we do have a product that addresses the payroll as well as the human resource. And another product that we have is a public investment management system. Governments spend a lot on projects and there is need to be accountable and monitor those projects. So this is basically the bouquet of offering we have under public finance. We basically target the Ministry of Finance. Of course, we call it government, but the primary consumer is the Ministry of Finance, as well as the local governments and counties who are collecting revenue. So there's a huge value proposition because we are trying to aid governments do what it does best. And a lot of issues within government in terms of fiscal discipline, pilferage of financial unaccounted revenue is because of lack of automation. So that's really the value that we bring to the table, where we automate and make governments run better and more accountable. And obviously there is a need of the hour to account for public funds. We have developed systems that have really transformed the way government works. Case in point, if you look at Uganda Ministry of Finance, budgeting process, which is always very cumbersome, complicated process, has been simplified and shortened by our system. Today, all the departments in Uganda can submit their budget online, can review previous budgets, and are able to actually track how the budget has been utilized from our system. That has made it easy, and also made it more accurate, and has transformed the government to do an effective output-based budgeting, so they know budget and the results that are coming out of it. The main thing is that we are local. So we are a system integrator and we work locally. So we have localized our system to fit the need for the governments that we work with. They have been localized. We have also added extensions. So we don't just provide one single solution, but we provide multiple solutions that work together. So we are addressing various areas such as budgeting, revenue, public finance accountability, human resource, payroll. And that really is a bouquet that the government need. And that's really what differentiates us from other suppliers who are only doing a single solution and who are mainly have not localized the solution to the needs of the governments. Yes, to some of the solutions, because we are leveraging, for example, the Oracle IFMS system, which we've localized. We also have a partner who assists us on the e-procurement section. So yes, we do work with partners, but the key is the partner solution, we take it and localize so that it becomes relevant to the market that we are in. So we want to be a truly global company from PFM perspective, with multiple partners working for us. So currently we are developing and implementing on our own, but our vision is to have a products range being available across the world. Any partner being able to use it, localize it, implement, and we become a licensing supplier. We want to be able to challenge the existing global players and actually take a leadership role in key areas, as you may know, the various SBUs we have. But from a PFM perspective, we want to be a big leader in the public finance sector, where we become the de facto go-to. When you think of an IFMIS system, you think of a budget system, you think of a revenue management system, we want you to think TechnoBrain and our offerings. So we have a model where we build capacity, we give source code to government, and we enable them to be able to sustain themselves. That's really what we encourage governments to do, as opposed to just having something kept in the server room and nobody really knows what goes on in there. We want government to own it up and build capacity for themselves.